forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss problem based on linear equity. Question number 1. A manufacturer has 600 liters of a 12% acid solution. So what is meaning of this? Total 600 liters है, उसमें acid की quantity कितनी 12% है. How many liters of a 30% acid solution must be added to it so that acid contained in the resulting mixture will be more than 15% but less than 18%. So first let, मैं इसमें एक सिंपल रूल है, जो चीज़ आपसे पूछते हैं उसको हम लेट करते हैं. So question is how many liters of 30%? So let x liters of a 30% acid solution is required to be added. Therefore total कितना हो जाएगा? 600 प्लस x लीटर. जो आपके पास कंटेनर उसमें टोटल कितना हो गया मिक्सचर? 600 प्लस x लीटर. अब नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रॉब्लम, क्वांटिटी ऑफ एसिड इन रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर. अब जो रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर इसमें एसिड की क्वांटिटी कितनी है? 12% ऑफ 600 प्लस 8 कितना किया अपने? 30% ऑफ x लीटर. सो 30% ऑफ x, ये तो हो गया रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर में एसिड की क्वांटिटी. अब अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रॉब्लम दिस इज मोर देन 15% एंड लेस देन 18%. तो 15% ऑफ टोटल. सो 15% ऑफ 600 प्लस x is less than 18% of 600 plus x. अब now simplify. 15% of this means 15 into 600 plus x upon 100. Percentage means divided by 100. 12% of 600 means 12 into 600 upon 100. प्लस 30x अपॉन 100 एंड लेस देन 18 इंटू 600 प्लस x अपॉन 100. अब नाउ मल्टीप्लाई थ्रू आउट बाय 100 एंड सिंप्लीफाई आल्सो. ओपन द ब्रैकेट. 15 6 जा 90, so 9000 plus 15x is less than 12 6 are 72 plus 30x is less than 18 6 are 108 and 00 plus 18x. अब यहाँ पे x लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में भी, मिडिल में भी और राइट हैंड साइड में भी. सो सेपरेट फर्स्ट टू एंड लास्ट टू. सिंप्लीफाई फर्स्ट टू एंड लास्ट टू. अब फर्स्ट टू को सिंप्लीफाई यहाँ करते हैं अपन. अरेंज करो, इसको इधर भेज दो. 9000 माइनस 7200, सो वी गेट 1800 is less than, send 15x dead side, so 30x minus 15x 15x. Similarly take last two terms, 30x minus 18x 12x is less than this minus this, so 108 minus 72, 20 is same, and 8 minus 2 6, 10 minus 7 3. More simplify, dividing both side by 15, so 15 1 जा 15, 15 2 जा 30, so 120 is less than x. Dividing both side by 12, so x is less than 36 upon 12, so 300. अब now combine these two results, x is greater than 120 and x is less than 300. So therefore 120 is less than x is less than. Next problem. A solution is to be kept between 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. What is the range in temperature in degrees Celsius if the Celsius / Fahrenheit conversion formula is given by this? So first steps, since value of Fahrenheit lies between 68 and 77, so 68 is less than F is less than 77. During mathematical calculation, don't write degree, rupees or anything, just write only number. Next step, 68 is less than, F is given by this formula, 9 by 5 into Celsius plus 32 is less than 77. अब simplify this inequality and find the value of C. Subtract 32 throughout, 68 minus 32 minus 32 and 77 minus 32. 8 minus 2 6, 6 minus 3 3 is less than 9 by 5 into C, 32 32 cancel, is less than 7 minus 2 5, 7 minus 3 4. अब now multiply throughout by 5 by 9, 36 into 5 by 9, 9 by 5C into 5 by 9 and 45 into 5 by 9. 9 5 जा 45, 9 1 जा 9 cancel, 5 1 जा 5 cancel, 9 1 जा 9, 9 4 जा 36. So 5 4 जा 20 is less than C is less than 25. Means Celsius temperature lies between 20 and 25. Next problem. How many liters of water will have to be added to 1125 liters of the 45% solution of acid? Means 1125 लीटर में 45% कितना एसिड है और रिमेनिंग 55% वाटर और एनीथिंग. So that the resulting mixture will contain more than 25% but less than 30% acid contain. So same thing, मैथ्स में जो चीज़ फाइंड करनी है उसको लेट करो. So let x liter of water is required to be added. Therefore, total quantity of mixture is equal to 1125 plus x liter. According to problem, a quantity of acid in resulting mixture 45% of 1125 प्लस वाटर में तो कुछ एसिड होता ही नहीं है, में 0% ऑफ एक्स. अब जो रिजल्टिंग मिक्सचर उसमें एसिड की क्वांटिटी कितनी, 45% ऑफ दिस एंड 0% ऑफ दिस, which is more than 25%, means 25% of total, means 1125 plus x, and 30% of 1125 plus x. अब now simplify. How can you find percentage? Divided by 100. So 25 into 1125 plus x divided by 100 is less than 45 into 1125 upon 100. 0% of x means 0, so no need to write. 0 into x upon 100 means 0. Now 30%, so 30 into 1125 plus x upon 100. अब next step, multiply throughout by 100 by 5. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 100 by 5 से. 100 से इंटू करें तो 100 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, और 5 से डिवाइड करें तो कितना मिलेगा आपको? 5 इंटू 1125 प्लस एक्स इज लेस देन, 5 से डिवाइड करो तो क्या आएगा? 9 इंटू 1125 इज लेस देन, 9 इंटू 1125 इज लेस देन 100 अपॉन 5. सो 100 से 100 कैंसिल, और 5 6 या 30. 6 इंटू 1125 प्लस एक्स. अब नाउ सिंप्लीफाई. टेक फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स टुगेदर एंड लास्ट टू टर्म्स टुगेदर. फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स टुगेदर, 5 इंटू 1125 प्लस एक्स is less than 9 into 1125, and 9 into 1125 is less than 6 into 1125 plus x. Next step, now cancel. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25. More simplify. 1125 plus x is less than 9 into this, 9 5 ja 45, carry 4, 9 2 ja 18 or 4 22, again carry 2, 9 2 ja 18 or 2 2025. So x is less than this minus this, 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0, and 20 minus 11 9. So x is less than 900. Give equation number 1. Now simplify this second one. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 2 ja 6. Now simplify this into 3. So 3 into 1125 is less than 2 into 11 into 25 plus 2x. अब this is 3 times, or this is 2 times. So 1 times 1125 is less than 2x. Dividing both side by 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 5 ja 10. So 562 is less than x. Give equation number 2. This quantity is less than x. 562.5 is less than x, or x is less than 900. It means, next problem, IQ of a person is given by the formula IQ equal to mental age upon chronological age into 100, where MA is mental age and C is chronological age. If 80 is less than equal to IQ less than equal to 140 for a group of 12 years old children, find the range of their mental age. So what is mental age or chronological age? Chronological age means your actual age. So you are in 11th class and your age is 16 years. So this actual age is 16 years. यदि मैं आपको एक प्रॉब्लम देता हूँ 12th क्लास की और अगर आप सोल्व कर लेते हो तो आपकी जो मेंटल एज क्या हो जाएगी 12th क्लास के स्टूडेंट की हो जाएगी, मीन्स 17 ईयर्स। सो हियर अ ग्रुप ऑफ 12 ईयर्स ओल्ड चिल्ड्रन, उनका आईक्यू किसके बीच में दे रखा है, आईक्यू लाइज बिटवीन 80 एंड 140। Now substitute value of IQ. IQ is given mental age upon chronological age into 100 is less than equal to 140. अब now chronological age is given 12 years all children. So 80 is less than equal to mental age upon 12. A group of 12 years old children into 100 is less than equal to 140. From this equation find the value of mental age. First multiply throughout by 12. So 12 8 96. Multiply throughout by 12. So 12 into 8 96. Now mental age into 100 upon 12 into 12, so 12 or 12 cancel, and now 12 into 14, so 12 4 ja 48, carry 4, 12 in ja 1 12 or 4 116, 168 0. Now divide throughout by 100, so 960 upon 100, 9.6 is less than MA is less than equal to 16.8, means mental age lies between 9.6 to 16.8 of a group of 12 years old children. Thank you. Have a nice day.